we have a Mitsubishi Outlander. This is 2018 Ghost 2. Now if I get inside the vehicle, I'll show you how to start it. So press the power button twice, so all of your dash lights come on. Now we're going to enter the current password for the vehicle. You get your 2 beeps and also a flash down there. There you go. So now to start the vehicle, obviously we have to switch the system off. Apply your foot on the brake, and switch the power back on, allowing the vehicle to come on and say ready. And that's how you start it. For servicing mode, we are going to simply press the air conditioning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and it will start beeping and flashing so that you know it's in its service mode. So I'm going to switch the system off now. Now we know it's in service mode by if we simply put our foot on the brake, start the car, it comes on without any password. Now to turn that back into a normal Ghost, we're simply going to put our password in. We get our 2 beeps and a flash. There we go. And that will now confirm it back into its normal mode. So if I switch the vehicle off, we're now going to show you how to change password. So I'm going to simply press the start button twice so the dash lights come on. Enter your current password. From that point on, you'll get your 2 beeps and a flash. We can hold our foot on the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. Enter the current password again. And it'll allow us to now beep. Now I can let go. And it will now continue beeping. It's in its learning mode, ready for a new password. The buttons on your vehicle, on this particular vehicle, I have the air conditioning, I have up and down toggle here, I have the speed limiter, cruise control, and I have cancel. So if I, for instance, wanted to change the password, I can go to 1, 2, 3, 4. It will now give me 3 beeps to acknowledge. I can do the same again. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will now give me 2 beeps to acknowledge and submit, or 4 beeps if it was wrong. If you get 4 beeps, you retry the steps from the start to finish again, and hopefully you should be able to change your password. If I switch the vehicle off, that is now my password saved, and just for demonstration purposes, I'll show you that it's working. Switch it back on, and I'm going to input my new one. This will now beep, allowing me to start the vehicle.